Hi, I'm Anushri Malik. I have recently got my braces done. I am 37 years old. I believe that I am in very good hands. Dr. Shinita, she is very good at her work, and the way she has convinced me get these braces on, because at this stage I was always, I have so many years I have been with this kind of a misaligned teeth, which had caused me problems, but I had never thought that, I really believe now that I could have done it at the age of 15 or 20. But now that it started giving me so much of problem, I had my root was getting exposed, and there were lots of other problems that I was facing. So I had almost given up hope that I'm 37 and I cannot get my braces on. But thanks to Dr. Shinita, she made me understand, and somehow I believe that I've taken a very good decision by getting these braces on, because now it's really helping me a lot. My bite is getting corrected, my teeth are getting aligned. Of course, it is a very good feel good factor. So I seriously feel that such a treatment, this braces are very comfortable. There's less number of doctor visits, and I have children, I cannot come. So it is very what I knew, that with traditional braces, that you have to visit doctor again and again. But with this, I am very much comfortable, because with my time and the kind of distance I follow, it is very convenient for me to go ahead with these braces, and I'm very happy to get this treatment done. Of course, any treatment you go through, it makes you get used to it, but the process was not long. Maybe like in 3 to 4 days I was very much comfortable with my braces. So now I'm not scared that something new is happening to my teeth. Okay, I'll go to that painful process again. So that is not at all. Yes, of course I would. In fact, I keep on the what I am going through. In fact, there are a lot of people I in my circle who are like, we have come to a certain age. Can we get a? We could have done it. So I tell them that it's not too late, and these braces are so comfortable. And moreover, if like during the COVID times, I could not have a doctor visit, so it was nothing to worry, because these braces were constantly working. So I did not lose out on time, and it definitely benefited me. So I would certainly recommend.